In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply video transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. Once it loads, head to the Edit page. You'll find it along the bottom of the interface. This is where your timeline lives, and it's the best place to assemble shots and add transitions. Make sure the clips you want to blend are on the timeline and select the area you plan to work with. Transitions go between two clips, so confirm there's a clear cut where you want the effect to happen. Next, look to the top left of the screen and open the Effects panel. Inside, choose Video Transitions. This category holds everything from simple professional dissolves to stylized wipes, pushes, and zooms. If the panel isn't visible, it may be collapsed. Just click the Effects icon to reveal it. Take a moment to browse. Hover your mouse over any transition thumbnail to preview how it will look in the viewer without committing to it. This hover preview is a quick way to compare options. For example, a cross dissolve is subtle and great for most edits, while a wipe or push can add energy or a directional cue. Let the mood of your project guide your choice. When you've found a transition you like, click and drag it onto the edit point between your two clips on the timeline. As you hover over the cut, you'll see a highlight indicating the transition will snap into place. Release to apply it. You'll notice a small bar spanning the cut. This is your transition. To adjust how long it lasts, select the transition and drag either edge left or right. Shorter durations feel punchy and keep pacing tight. Longer durations create a smoother, more gradual blend. Watch the on-screen duration indicator as you drag so you can dial in a precise feel. With the transition still selected, open the inspector in the top right to customize its properties. The exact options change depending on the transition, but common controls include alignment, which sets whether the effect starts before the cut, centers on it, or finishes after. Direction or angle for wipes and pushes, border width and softness for stylized edges, and easing or motion blur to make movement feel more natural. Small tweaks here can transform a basic transition into something that matches your footage and storytelling style. That's the whole workflow. Open the app, work in the edit page, choose video transitions from the effects panel, preview by hovering, drag to the cut, adjust duration on the timeline, and fine-tune in the inspector. Experiment thoughtfully, and your edits will feel cohesive and professional.